Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Fiat 500X daylight bulb full guide. Start by parking the car on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Then open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Locate the daylight bulb assembly behind the front bumper or inner fender and inspect the area for dirt, broken clips, or corrosion before proceeding with removal and replacement steps. With the wheel turned and wheel well access established, remove the necessary clips and fasteners to create room to reach the daylight bulb. Press the electrical connector release tab and pull it straight off, then grip the bulb socket and rotate it counterclockwise to free it from the housing. Pull the socket and bulb assembly out in a straight motion, inspect the socket for corrosion, and set the old bulb aside for proper disposal. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: I casually keep a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth nearby for perspective on saving from repair costs and making smarter parts purchases. It pairs nicely with DIY maintenance. Check the description for the book link and other deals or parts info. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare the new replacement bulb, ensuring you touch only the base and not the glass. Then align the socket tabs with the housing and insert the assembly carefully. Rotate the socket clockwise until it locks into place. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly and restore battery connection to test the daylight bulb operation. If the bulb lights correctly, reattach the wheel well trim and clips, double-check for secure fitment, and confirm proper beam alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.